Welcome to this watercolor demonstration where we will capture the beauty of one of the rustic windmills in Oia, Santorini. This bonus video is a special addition to Santorini in Watercolors from my World Through Art series. If you haven't already, I highly recommend checking it out for an amazing artistic experience. The town of Oia in Santorini is a picturesque village known for stunning sunsets, whitewashed buildings, charming narrow streets, and breathtaking cliffside views overlooking the Aegean Sea. The windmills of Santorini offer a unique glimpse into the island's rich history. While not as famous as their counterparts in Mykonos, these windmills still hold a special allure with their rustic charm. Located atop the cliffs overlooking the caldera, these windmills stand as silent sentinels of a bygone era. The visitors can wander among these beautiful landmarks, soaking in the peaceful atmosphere and enjoying the stunning landscape that stretches out before them, making for a truly enchanting experience on this beautiful Greek island. We will explore the art of watercolor painting and bring to life one of these iconic rustic windmills in an illustration-style sketch painting. We will pay attention to capturing the play of light and shadow on the windmill, the texture of the surrounding landscape, and the vivid blue hues of the sky. Use an artistic archival ink pen to loosely draw the scene. Start painting the top of the windmill with a brown hue and work from light to dark. Use a combination of the primaries, blue, red, and yellow, to mix a warm gray for the windmill shadow, and create a gradient wash from dark to light. Start with a strong reddish mix for the base of the blades and a medium warm tone for the sails. Use a dark blue tone for the windows. Use the same grain mixed before for the shadows on the walls. Use Titan Buff for the umbrellas. Mix a darker gray using the same primaries for the stone wall. Since we cannot mix magenta using our primaries, I recommend using Schminke Purple Magenta for the bougainvilleas. Use a mix of cobalt and ultramarine blue for the sky. Warm the tone up, adding a touch of red as you go down towards the horizon line. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more art-related content. Your support means a lot. Thanks for tuning in.